Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tama Gems. Today we are going to make these really pretty pearl and pink gemstone earrings. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started making these earrings. First you'll need to cut yourself 8 inches of 22 gauge wire, and I am using bead along, and this is half hard wire. I find this holds its shape better, especially if you're making hoops. Then you're going to need 4 pink watermelon tourmaline gemstones. They're 6 millimeters. You're going to need 36 freshwater pearls. These are also 4 millimeters. 4 tiny spacers, daisy spacers. 4 rhinestone spacers. 2 8 millimeter pearls, earring wires, and these are large hole pearls for the top. For tools, you'll need round nose pliers, bent chain nose pliers, and flush cutters. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my little tiny pearls and put 3 of them on. Then I'm going to take a daisy spacer, add that, stack on 3 more pearls, another daisy spacer, and 3 more pearls. Now I'm going to add my pink tourmaline, my spacer, and my larger pearl. So I'm going to repeat on the other side with my spacer, pink tourmaline, and my tiny pearls. Let's get another one because that one doesn't quite fit. Sometimes with freshwater pearls, the holes are drilled unevenly, and you'll have some pearls that fit, some pearls that don't. Another daisy spacer, and last are 3 pearls. Okay, so there's one earring. Now we're going to come together at the top. Then we're going to check our center pearl, make sure that it's in the center of our earring. We're going to crisscross the top. One wire goes to one side, the other wire goes to the other side. We're still hanging on to our pearls. And then we're going to slowly take one of the wires and go down and through the middle. Bring it out to the back. And what we're doing is we're securing the top. Pull it up. Hang on to it. Then we're going to wrap around one time. Kind of twist it. Okay. Then we're going to take our chain nose pliers and just push the wires together gently. Okay, now we're going to set this aside and do the other one. We're going to put our ends together. Come down, pinch it together. Make sure that our pearl's in the center. Crisscross the wires at the top. Bring one of the wires down through the loop. I'm going to use my chain nose pliers to really pull that secure. Then I'm going to take my wire and twist it. Use my chain nose pliers to help pull it over so it's tight. And then come back up. Use my pliers to pinch it together. Now we're going to take our large hole pearl, take both wires together, and put it through the pearl so it sits on top. And you kind of have to jimmy this around to make it straight. Okay, that looks pretty good. I've got my two ends coming out of my large hole. This is secure. Let's work on the other side. So what I like to do too is kind of make sure that the shape is even. This one looks a little wider. So since this is wire, we can go ahead and pull it out to make our earrings the same. Okay, now we're going to put our large hole pearl on the top, slide it to the bottom, and that looks pretty even. But if you need to, you can always use your pliers to come in and pinch this down, kind of maneuver it into shape. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I'm going to take the smallest wire, or the shortest wire, and I'm going to wrap it around the long wire. So I'm going to bend it, and I'm going to twist it around. and then I'm going to cut it. Come in with my flush cutters, give it a snip, and then I can push down the burr. I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to push this down with my thumb, and I'm going to wrap it around the wire. I'm going 2 times, and then I'll cut it. Push down the burr. To start my wire wrap loop, I'm going to use my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to pinch down right on top of the pearl. Then I'm going to bring the wire to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. And there's my loop. Now I'm going to do the other on the other side. I'm going to pinch down right on top of the pearl, bring the wire to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to hang on to my loop and start wire wrapping. Then I'm going to cut off the excess and pinch down the burr. All right, let's do the other one. Hold down the loop, use my bent chain nose pliers, and wire wrap around. All right, let's cut the burr off. And pinch it down. We're going to take our earring wire and gently turn it to the left. Slide on our earring and move it back to the right. And let's do the other side. Turn it to the left. Slip on our wire and turn it back to the right. And there you have your beautiful earrings. Your beautiful pink pearl earrings. And there you have your beautiful pink pearl earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.